You are an energetic being, and your energy determines the quality of your life. Your energy determines whether your life is full of joy, abundance, and love, or whether your circumstances are not exactly what you'd like them to be. And if they're not, that's okay, because you have the power to create anything you want in your life. You have the power to elevate your entire reality. You have the power to be what you want, to do what you want, to achieve what you want. And this power comes from within. That's right, this power always comes from within. This power never comes outside of you. This power never comes from the outside factors. No, this power is within you. This power is within your soul. This power is within the realization that you are a conscious energetic being who creates your reality through your energetic alignment with certain possibilities in an infinite quantum field potential. And it might sound complicated, but actually it's not complicated at all. You just have to understand this one thing. Your energy creates your life. If you want a better reality, you need to take care of your energy. You have to be in charge of energy. You can't allow your energy to happen to you by default. You can't allow society to dictate your dominant energy. You can't allow it, because you are in charge of your energy. You are in charge of your inner world. Nobody else is creating your inner world for you. Nobody else is thinking in your mind for you. Nobody else is feeling your feelings for you. Nobody else is creating your reality for you. You are doing this all the time. And perhaps you used to do this unconsciously. But now it's time to turn into the conscious designer of your reality. Now it's time to provide the universe with the energetic blueprint of everything you want to experience in life, so you can actually enjoy your reality, so you can actually create the life of your dreams, because that's why you came here. That's why you came here. Like, this is a part of your purpose here in this lifetime on this planet, to learn how to manipulate energy, to learn how to play with energy. You basically do this by just like creating in your life anything you want, because you deserve joy, you deserve love, you deserve abundance, you deserve happiness. You really do deserve those things. I know that society probably conditioned you to believe that you're not worthy of like happiness, love, joy, and abundance. Like, it's time to let go of these limiting beliefs. It's really time to let go of this limiting beliefs. Just stop succumbing to these beliefs, because these beliefs are tainting your energy. These beliefs are taking away your power. And remember that your power always comes from within. It comes from your inner world and your inner alignment. So it's time to do a little energetic cleanse. And how do you do an energetic cleanse? First and foremost, you have to understand that your energy, like, it's not just something that is. Like, you create your energy with certain factors. And these certain factors are your beliefs, your thoughts, and your feelings, and your identity, and your self-concept, and the way you perceive yourself. Like, all of these components essentially create your energy, and obviously the most important component is your feelings, because your feelings actually are energy. Like, you can actually measure your feelings. Like, it's basically quantum physics. You can measure a feeling. So high vibrational feelings, that's high energetic feelings, good energy feelings are positive feelings, and low vibrational feelings, low energy feelings are negative feelings. But you see, like, all of these components, like your thoughts, your identity, the way you perceive yourself, your self-concept, your dominant belief system, like all of these things, all of these factors essentially affect your feelings. So in order to have naturally like this good emotional state, you really have to address what's going on inside you. You have to address your dominant beliefs. You have to pay attention to your habitual thinking patterns. You have to pay attention to the way you perceive yourself. Like, it is so important. The way you perceive yourself, your self-concept, your identity is directly linked to your energy, because your identity puts into your energy whether you're worthy, whether you love yourself, whether you perceive yourself as a attractive, successful person, or whether you perceive yourself as a failure. And it all goes straight into your energy field and is sending out this energy into the universe. So if you're currently just perceiving yourself as someone who's unsuccessful, or as someone who's not worthy of love, or as someone who's not worthy of abundance, or whatever, then you have to address those beliefs, those parts of your identity. You have to reverse them. You have to program yourself, program your mind for the new identity, for the new self-concept. You have to start perceiving yourself as the person you want to become. And this is going to create a massive positive shift in your energy field, because your new state of being, this new identity you put on, this new self-concept of worthiness, of being lovable, of loving yourself, is just going to give you new feelings. Like, you're gonna feel confident, you're gonna feel abundant, you're gonna feel joyful, and this kind of energy is going to align you with certain possibilities, with certain realities, higher possibilities, different timelines than your current timeline, because you're gonna be broadcasting a new type of an energy. And when you broadcast new energy, your reality immediately responds. So when you start broadcasting abundance, when you start broadcasting happiness, when you start broadcasting joy and love, like, you get confirmations in your reality, because three-dimensional reality, as tangible as it might seem, is nothing else than a reflection, and it reflects your energy. So address your identity, address your self-concept, because this really creates your energy. And also your habitual thinking patterns. Like, what do you think about 24/7? Like, do your thoughts revolve around the things you want to experience? Do your thoughts revolve around abundance, love, joy, happiness, success? Or are you harming yourself with your thoughts? And if you're harming yourself with your thoughts, it's time to start repeating those affirmations. It's time to start repeating the mindset and the belief system you actually want to have. And the more you do this, the more you repeat and repeat your new belief system, essentially, like, it starts to replace this old belief system, and you willingly are letting go of all of this, like, low patterns that are not serving you anymore, and you're willingly welcoming new high vibrational thinking patterns that are going to contribute to the reality of your dreams. Your thoughts and your feelings are perhaps the most important tools and the most powerful tools you possess that allow you to consciously create your reality. Your thoughts and your feelings are so powerful, because the more you take care of them, and the more you cherish the right type of thoughts and the right type of feelings, the better your overall reality becomes. And also, the more you cherish the right type of thoughts when it comes to manifesting the things you want to manifest in your reality, and the right type of feelings when it comes to manifesting specific things in your reality, like, the faster you align with your desired reality, because you always align with your reality energetically. Like, however you want to call it, like, whether you want to call it assuming the state of which will feel, or whether you want to call it act as if you already have it, or whether you want to call it, like, being the energy you want to attract, whatever. On a quantum level, it's always the same. You are just aligning your energy with that particular reality that already exists as a quantum possibility in an infinite quantum field of potential. You just align with this reality, and the more you align your energy with this reality, the quicker you essentially get this reality. It's all energy, it's all energy. And broadcast the right type of energy, you're gonna get anything you want in life, because your energy is the foundation of your life. Your energy is the foundation of your reality. But your energy is, yes, it's your feelings basically, but your feelings are affected by so many things. So you have to address your mindset, you have to address your belief system, you have to address your identity, your self-concept, you have to address your habitual thinking patterns, because all of those contribute to your feelings, and your feelings are basically like this, like, energy that is being sent out into the universe, and you always get a reflection of this energy in your three-dimensional reality. So essentially, the better thoughts you think and the better feelings you feel, the better your energy becomes, and the higher vibrational your energy becomes. And it's not about being high vibrational 24/7. Like, it's not like you can never, like, succumb to negative thoughts or, like, negative feelings. Like, we need both. We need duality in this world. It's all about not allowing these negative thoughts and these negative feelings to take over your life, to take over your belief system, because this is like when you start creating a reality by default, when you just allow your thoughts to happen to you, when you just allow your feelings to happen to you. No, like, you have to just develop this conscious awareness of knowing what's going on inside you, of knowing what's going on in your inner world. And whenever you encounter a negative state of being, whenever you encounter like limiting beliefs or negative thoughts or negative feelings, first you allow yourself to feel them, you allow yourself to think them for as long as you have to. But essentially, like, you have to find yourself the place when you start questioning those beliefs and asking yourself, like, do you want these beliefs to be the part of you for the rest of your life, or do you want to do some, like, cleansing and letting go and understanding those beliefs and those feelings and releasing them and healing them and letting them go. And this is how you release the things that are no longer serving you, because you don't try to push them away. You don't try to pretend that they don't exist. No, you are consciously approaching them. You are healing them so they are no longer a part of you, and you are willingly letting them go. And then you can start again, like, focusing on positive feelings and positive thoughts, but you never should like feel resistance if something pops up in your mind. Because we're human, and we're gonna have this kind of thoughts, and we're gonna have this kind of limiting beliefs. But the question is, how are you, releasing them? Or are you carrying them within you? So never be afraid of negative thoughts and never be afraid of negative feelings, but don't allow them to take over your life. Don't allow them to create your reality by default, because you are the creator of your reality, and you have the awareness that allows you to consciously choose the reality which you want to align with. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that right now you understand that your energy is so important. Your energy is the foundation of your reality. And I hope that you actually understand right now what actually creates your energy and how important it is to take care of your inner world, because you are the creator of your reality, and your inner world is the blueprint for your outer world. So the more harmonious your inner world, the better your outer world. So take care of your inner world. Cherish the right type of thoughts. Cherish the right type of beliefs. Cherish the right type of feelings that will bring you your desired reality to you. Be the conscious creator of your reality. Be the conscious designer of your reality. And this is how you not only get all of your like specific manifestations much more faster, but this is how you harmonize your entire life. This is how you harmonize your entire reality. This is how you actually elevate yourself and elevate your state of being and elevate your entire reality. So take care of your inner world, because your inner world is the foundation of everything. Your inner world is the foundation of your entire reality. So when you approach your inner world with awareness, and when you're aware of what's going on in your inner world, you basically have control over your reality. And you turn into the conscious designer of your reality. Because it always starts inside you. It never starts outside of you. Everything always starts inside you. True power always comes from within. Your power always comes from within. Because your inner world is the blueprint. And the reality is just a reflection. So take care of the blueprint. And you're gonna get a magnificent, amazing reality. You're gonna notice so many positive shifts and like synchronicities in your reality, because you're gonna be in energetic alignment with them. So take care of your inner world, and your reality is just going to reflect your new high vibrational state of being. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.